Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the Holiday Inn. Here.
Right across the street from Lucas.
Yep. Look at they already replaced the buttons. Guess it's 140. Very weird. Watch. Yes. And look, no handrail. I think these are replacement buttons. Okay, so it's 140.
Second floor.
This is 2.
Oh, I'm sorry. We were at 1.
Going down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
First floor.
It's technically ground, but whatever.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Well, have a good day.
Me too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
There goes this one. Okay, that one works. And the arrow doesn't work. And yes, these have replacement buttons too.
Going up.
Going up. Oh gosh. Oh no. This thing has loose panel. Like an Abell.
Sixth floor.
Not the greatest elevators, but once again, this actually used to
Going
be,
down.
yeah, this actually used to be the comfort suites. I just want to get a laugh about this because oh, Holiday Inn. It's a pretty nice cab. As to why do we replace the buttons, I don't get it. So weird.
First floor.
But I get a laugh at that.
Going up.
There's a loose panel in there.
Oh, really?
Yep. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.